Hi everyone, this is how to use the library catalog from home. First thing you do is go into your browser, and I like to use Google, so you're going to type in library.sd35.bc.ca. And remember, at any point during this video you can pause it, try it, and then continue on. When you type that in, you're going to come to Langley's Library Catalog homepage that lists all the schools. You're going to go down the list, and ours is number 4, and that's Blacklock. And when you click it, this will be our home page. The next thing you want to do is you will double check to make sure it is Blacklock right here, and then you're going to click on Log In. The next page you come to is this one, where you're going to put in your username or password. Your teacher will have given you your username, so you can type it in here. I'm just going to put some random numbers. And then you're going to use your password, which you will also know from your teacher. Then you're going to come up to this screen, which is fairly blank, but what's important about it are two things. One, up in the corner is going to be your name. So this is Baby Yoda's account. And what you're going to be using a lot is going to be the catalog right here. And click on catalog. So this is the page you're going to come up to next. If you're just generally looking for a genre of books, you're not sure which book it is, but you know you really enjoy fantasy or mystery or scary, what you're going to want to do in our catalog is down here where it says sublocation, you're going to click on the arrows, and it has all the different places that you can find books in our school. Now, mostly you're going to want ones that have simple titles like adventure. Annals are books that you may want in our fiction section. Humor, but you may also want joke books. You may want Pokemon books. I'm going to go with scary right now, and so scary is going to come up here, and as soon as you have scary there, you don't need to do anything up here. You have scary here, and then you're just going to press return or enter, and then all the books that are in the scary selection are going to come up here. Most of them will have pictures for their covers. If it doesn't, that means it's a really old book that we just don't have a picture for. If it's available for you to put on hold for yourself, it'll say so right here. If not, it'll just say 0 of 1 available, which means that it'll be that someone else has it out right now. So if you look through here and you get to the end of that page, you'll notice that this only showed you 1 of 25. There are 88 that are still available, so they're just down here, just kind of like when you're on Google going on to the next selection. You press the number and then there'll be more here. So I really would like to see the graveyard shake, so I would like to know a little bit more about it. All I get here is that it's in the scary section. It was written and published in 2017, and this is the approximate reading level. I'm going to press on details, and then there you go. It goes straight to a quick summary down here. It says things are available. It's available. Then if you, after reading it, you do want to try the graveyard shakes, then you're going to go to hold it. So we're going to hold it right now. You'll know it worked because up here it'll say hold requested for and the name of the book. It's most likely going to tell you it's available. You can put on hold on books that you want to read that someone has out. It just says that it's not available yet, and that we will contact you when it is. And then ignore right here because we're going to be putting the books into the bags for you and sending them there. If you want to go back again to try another search, you would go over up to here to library search or library search here, and then you're back to this screen. Once you get back to this page again, if you want to try something totally different, as in you want to put in the title of a book that you know you would like, such as you want to have Wonder, or if you know an author, or if you have a subject, so you want kangaroos, or if your series like Diary of a Kid, if you don't reset it, it will look for those things in scary, and you'll probably come up with nothing showing because we don't have kangaroo books that are scary. So you want to go right here and reset all. Unlimited means it's going to search the whole catalog, so that if we put in Diary of a Wimpy Kid and I go to series, there they all are. Once you've done that and you've picked your books, you put them on hold, you can double check which ones that you have done by going into here. You go to My Info and it'll say which holds you have on. If you notice that you have some finds or library books checked out, that means you might have books that are at home or books that you've lost over the years or within a year, and they'll be here. Once in a while, you might have the teacher make a recommendation and it will be here. All right. Just make sure when you're all done that you go up and you log out right beside where your name is, and good luck.